got asked a few times at the Overland Expo West in Flagstaff this weekend about a bag for the front runner chairs. These are really good chairs. I've had this one for quite a while. Yeah, we have a case for that. It's got an optional shoulder strap. It's got the carry handle there. It's secured by Velcro. And here is the dual chair bag for the front runner chairs. You can see it holds two in there. It's got the optional carry strap. Got the handle right there. It closes by Velcro, but it'll hold two of the front runner chairs.